Hey guys, I am going to do a FaceTime video this time. I miss doing that. I've been doing a lot of shorts lately. I got in an order, weirdly. I ordered from Michael's because one Michael's would have what I wanted and another wouldn't. And I was like, I'm not driving all over. So I did enough to get free shipping. So, which tells you something. So, and then I have a couple other things if I have time. But let's get going. Oh my gosh. I think it's Louie, L-O-I-E, Loie Beck. I don't know if I'm doing it, but she sent me the sweetest card. Isn't that gorgeous? Handmade with love. It says, Happy Holidays, and I love my birds. And then she put gems on there. That is just so sweet. Thank you, sweetie. Wishing you peace and love at Christmas and always. Mitch, Mike. So, Mitch? She put that in parentheses. Anyway, I'm butchering your name, and I am so sorry, because I really do appreciate you sending me a card. Okay. All right, so I'll have to put Deanna. She does a lot of scrapbook or craft fairs and things. Anyway, she shared a shelf she got from Michael's, but I wanted to get this one. And then she decorated it, and so, of course, then I had to decorate. I plan to decorate this, and I will share it when I'm done. Yeah, so I'm going to put, my plan is, like she did, put paper here. She was very, I'll leave a link to her video, if I remember. If I don't, you tell me, okay? So I ordered stuff to go in it, but I don't, is this all? It seems like I ordered more. Hang on. All right, well, I did order more, but it isn't here yet. That's why I'm confused. So I'll just show you what I have now because I want to get this decorated, and not all of it will be here for a couple days. Okay, moving on. So I got this little Santa Claus. I don't honestly remember what the prices were. Does it matter? Now I've got my laptop next to me. Good, good. You all. Okay. Yeah, he was $3.19. I think he's adorable. He's got his little cupcake, so he'll sit in here. And I thought I liked these, and I think I'm going to put one at the top of. All right. Jeez. These are a little large. I don't know. These are big ones. They were $2.39. I mean. Yeah. And then, cute little pink deer, which would be a freak of nature if they really were pink. But, you know, I digress. So I went today, my son goes, Brian goes, you must be exhausted. If I have more than one thing to do in a day, I'm like, oh my gosh. I got this little lights, red lights. Speaking of lights, I know I'm all over the place. I came home and tried to turn on my lights. Nothing. I added some bush shrub covers from Walmart. I'm taking them back. And I don't know if that's what blew them out. They worked yesterday. I don't know. It's like... Anywho. And then this cute little milk and cookies. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Anyway, went back to the chiropractor. I have been going. I do feel better. And I didn't realize, I think somebody's told me this before, but you know. In and out of my one little ear. These were $3.19. Red, pink, and white trees. Yeah, that is really weird. Okay, the rest of it's coming. So I have time for more to share. Anyway, so and it wasn't cheap, but I think it's going to be good. An orthotics for I guess my one leg is significantly shorter. Well, gee, could that be my problem? I think so. That, and I need to lose weight, I need to strengthen my muscles, you know, and I have a curvature of the spine too. I've always known that. But anyway, so I got the orthotic. Then I went and returned something. I have to go to Staples here to return to Amazon for free. So I did that. Then I went to my massage guy, which he's never hardly talked at all. He was just talking away. So cute. So I think he's comfortable with me now. So I got a massage. Came home, had to take a nap after chiropractor and a massage. Took a little muscle relaxer, you know. And then fiddled around here a little bit. And then I went and got my mouth guard from my dentist. So it was a full day deal. So Peachy Keen, Jill Norwood, get those two ladies mixed up. She had said that the Peachy Keen is no longer going, they're getting rid of and they were on sale, their photopolymer stamps. Now, I had these in my past life, as I call it, at my other house. I don't think I got them out, and if I do, I don't know. So I just wanted to get them, so I did. And they don't tell you prices. So go on their site and see. So this is just baby. This is cute. Bowl of gingerbread cookies. Oh my gosh. Cute. And then this is Baker's Die and Stamp Set. Does this one come with a die? No. So you can dress up your little guys. Cute. This looks really familiar to me. Like I said, I get confused. Do I still have it? Did I have it? Do I have it now? Did I leave it at my other house? If you don't know, I went through a bad divorce and had to leave and not go back. And I did go back, but very briefly. Anyway, enough about that. So there's this. And then these little stamps. Yeah, so they're going to do digital, but not going to do their photopolymer and dyes anymore. So, if you tell me somebody's leaving me, I'm on it. This is a pretty good size one. Isn't that cute? This one is called PK-900 2-inch, #1. Stamp it, ink the stamp, and stamp it, it says. So, I mean, that's a big one. So big. This one is Spa Girls. So if you have a gingerbread that you want to have a face on, or a snowman, or any kind of stamp that doesn't have a face, or you don't like the face, you got these. These are called Spa Girls. I already said that, 1 1/8. And then here's another big guy. Oh my gosh, he's so cute though. PK-9012 #2. So, see, big. So there's that. So I got, oh, and wait, there's more. I got these big doodly-doos. 2-inch face assortment. A little big. But if I want, I could probably stamp these and then scan them and resize them. Maybe that's what I'll do, because these are pretty big. But look at this. I love that. I just love their little, look at that. Oh my gosh, so adorable. So yeah, if you're a bit on the fence about them or have some that you've been wanting to get, now's the time, because they're not going to sell them anymore. All right, I did get some stuff from, but not much. I'm not kind of done with the Dollar Tree. I did get some 25-cent things I think I showed you before, and then they had it up against the wall, and I thought, you know, I'm not saying I won't, because when I say that, then I do. Anyway, I found another thing of bookmarks like I found before. Look at all these you get. Plants. This one's called 50 Coloring Bookmarks. So there you go. Got that. $1.25, I think. And then I found this. And I've got some for the girls for a trip back, and then probably, I think this one's for me. I don't think I'll be doing any more of that. I need to get my cards done and out. I gotta get my house ready. It is a mess. And I got little ones coming and the whole family gonna hang out here. I did find a book. I've gotten some really good books there. Breezy, sharp, and super funny. The Means. So I think it's about a gal that... A wealthy stay-at-home mom and disgraced former PTA president is poised to get one thing in her, what she really wants, a beach house in the Hamptons. So, goes awry, her neighbors disapprove of her proposed shipping. Anyway, it's an adventure. Kind of sounds funny. So I got it. All right. I think that's it. I'll talk to you soon. Hopefully, I'll come back with my rest of what I get in from Michael's, and then how I decorate this. All right, you guys, take care. Bye-bye.